下午4點正，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午4點，強烈熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港之東南約140公里，即北緯21.3度，東經115度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，靠近珠江口一帶。按照最新預測，尼格今晚會較之前預計更為接近本港，喺本港100公里內掠過。受與尼格相關嘅雨帶影響，今晚本港雨勢會較為頻密，8號烈風或暴風信號至少會維持去到今晚嘅6點。同時，尼格會逐漸減弱，隨後8號烈風或暴風信號是否維持，則會視乎尼格嘅減弱程度。如果尼格進一步減弱為一個熱帶低氣壓嘅時候，天文台就會改發較低嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島及長洲分別錄得最高持續風速為每小時66、56及43公里，最高陣風分別為每小時77、67、67公里。有關最新天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正之風暴消息。
4 o'clock in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 4 p.m., severe tropical storm Nalgae was centered about 140 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.3 degrees north, 115.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. According to the latest forecast, Nalgae will edge closer to Hong Kong tonight, as compared with previous forecast, and will skirt within 100 kilometers of Hong Kong. Under the influence of the rain bands associated with Nalgae, showers over the territory are expected to become more frequent tonight. The number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force before 6 p.m. tonight. Meanwhile, Nalgae will weaken gradually. Whether the number 8 gale or storm signal is maintained thereafter depends on the degree of weakening of Nalgae. If Nalgae weakens further into a tropical depression, the observatory will issue a lower tropical cyclone warning signal. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island and Chung Shou were 66, 56 and 43 km per hour, with maximum gusts 77, 67 and 67 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。